Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to another episode of English Channel Daily. I am Sasha, and our motto, as always, is Simple English for Daily Life.
And I am Miles. That is a good cup of black coffee. Hello, Sasha, and hello to our family of learners around the world. Today, we learn your morning routine and your drive using the simple present tense.
Exactly. The simple present is the tool for your real life. Miles, let me ask you a question. What is the first thing you do when you wake up? Think carefully.
Oh, I know what I do. I open my eyes and then I feel a bit groggy. Sasha, let's help our learners. What is groggy?
Groggy means you feel sleepy and slow. It means your brain is not awake yet. Miles feels groggy, so he hits the snooze button.
Yes, I hit snooze. I close my eyes and I sleep for 10 minutes. This is my habit. What is the first action in your room, Sasha?
Well, I hear my alarm, then I open my eyes, I look at the ceiling, then I stretch my arms and my legs. And then I get out of bed. My feet touch the cold floor. I walk to the bathroom. It is very quiet. It is peaceful.
I love a peaceful bathroom. It is maintenance time. Sasha, what is one thing you always do in the bathroom?
First, I wash my face. I use cold water. It makes me feel awake. Then I dry my skin with a towel. Miles, tell us your habit.
I brush my teeth. Scrub, scrub, scrub. The toothpaste tastes like mint. Then I look in the mirror. I see my face.
Learners, listen to the rule. I brush, but Miles brushes. Miles looks. No, Miles looks. Listen for that magic letter S at the end of the verb.
Sasha looks in the mirror too. She combs her hair. She applies some lotion. We use the S for our friends, for he, she, and it. Now, my stomach makes a noise. I am hungry. I walk to the kitchen. The kitchen smells like coffee.
I enter the kitchen too. Every morning I make tea. I boil water and I pour the water into a mug. And you, Miles?
I make coffee. I press the button on my machine. The machine whirs. The coffee flows, and then I pour cereal into a bowl.
I eat an apple. I sit at the table. While I eat, I check my phone. Miles, do you check your phone?
I do. I check my messages. I read the news. Sometimes I listen to music on the telly. T-E-L-L-Y. That is British for television. It is a modern morning.
Now, we prepare for the world. I choose my clothes. I put on my trousers. I put on a warm jumper. Miles, do you wear a jumper?
I do. It is cold outside. I get dressed. I pack my bag. I grab my keys from the hook. Then I put on my shoes and I grab my coat.
You look ready, Miles. Let's talk about the final routine. Learners, listen carefully to the next part. We are leaving the house now.
I walk out of the house. I turn the key and I lock the door. Click. Then I walk to the car. It is in the driveway.
I unlock my car door. I sit in the seat and I close the door. First, I put on my seatbelt. Then, I put the key into the ignition. Sasha, what happens when I turn the key?
The engine starts. Bzzz. It makes a low rumble. I check my mirrors. I look behind the car. Then I put my foot on the pedal and the car moves backward.
I drive slowly out of my street. Then I turn left. I reach the main road. But Sasha, look, the traffic is heavy today.
Oh dear! Many cars wait on the road. They move very slowly. This is what we call a traffic jam. The car in front stops, and Miles stops too.
I look at my watch. Time passes. I feel a bit impatient. A driver behind me honks his horn. The noise is loud. Finally, the light turns green. I press the gas and I drive forward.
Miles drives well. He keeps a safe distance. He looks at the road signs. He waits for people at the crossing. Finally, he arrives at his destination.
Well, Sasha, that is a lot of simple present verbs. Let's recap for our daily learners. Sequential order.
Category 1. The wake up. Open, stretch, get out of bed.
Category 2. The bathroom. Wash, brush, look, comb.
Category 3. The fuel. Make, boil, pour, eat, check, listen.
Category 4. The prep. Choose, pack, put on, grab, lock.
Category 5. The drive. Unlock, sit, start, reverse, stop, wait, drive, arrive.
Pioneers, you are brilliant. You just learned 40 actions using only one tense. And remember, for no, we use don't and doesn't. Miles doesn't drink tea. He doesn't like traffic.
Exactly. We have a challenge for you. Leave a comment right now. Please describe one thing you do when you drive or travel. We want to read it.
Yes, use the verbs. Use the magic S. And please subscribe to the English channel daily for more simple English for your daily life.
Download our show notes for all the drive and routine verbs. Simple English is your secret power. Stay safe, stay consistent, and keep shining.
Practice every day. You got this. Cheers, everyone. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you soon. English Channel Daily. Simple English for daily life.